Welcome to the future of clean iron, manganese, and sulfur-free water right in your home. Picture this, a world where the water you drink is free from any trace of iron, manganese, and sulfur, where every drop is clean, crisp, and refreshing. That's the promise of the iron water filter by SoftPro. This is not your average water filter. The SoftPro iron water filter is a state-of-the-art, cutting-edge solution designed to tackle the common issue of iron in your household water without the use of chemicals. Engineered with precision, it effectively removes iron, manganese, and sulfur, ensuring that the water you consume is clean. At the heart of the SoftPro iron water filter is its advanced filtration technology. This technology targets and removes iron particles, eliminating the metallic taste often associated with iron in water. The result? Water that's crystal clear, tastes better, and is healthier for you and your family. But it's not just about taste. Iron in your water can also lead to staining on your fixtures and appliances. With the SoftPro iron water filter, you can say goodbye to those unsightly rust stains. Your fixtures will be cleaner, your appliances will last longer, and your home will look better. The SoftPro iron water filter is also incredibly easy to install and maintain. Its compact design fits seamlessly into your existing water system, and its long-lasting filter media mean that you won't be constantly changing it out. Plus, with SoftPro's customer-focused approach, you're never alone if you need help or have questions. There's also the benefit of cost savings. By filtering out iron, you're protecting your appliances from damage and extending their lifespan. That means fewer replacements, fewer repairs, and more money in your pocket. And let's not forget the environmental aspect. By choosing the SoftPro iron water filter, you're reducing chemical use, helping to cut down on unwanted chemicals and contributing to a healthier planet. In the world of water filters, SoftPro stands out. It's not just a product, it's a promise of better, cleaner water. It's a commitment to your health, your home, and the environment. So why wait? Experience the difference that clean, iron-free water can make. Invest in the SoftPro iron water filter today and taste the future of water. Because good water isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. And with SoftPro, it's a promise delivered.